Can't remove a Bluetooth device on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you 4 fixes to solve this issue. Let's get your Bluetooth devices managed properly. Press Windows logo key plus A from your keyboard. Click on Airplane Mode to turn Airplane Mode on. Search Control Panel in Search Box and click on the Control Panel icon. To open Control, click on View Devices and Printers. Right-click on the device and choose Remove Device from the context menu. Press Windows keys plus R together to open Run command box. Write dvevngmt.msc in it and click OK. Click on View tab and choose Show Hidden Devices. In Device Manager, expand Bluetooth. Right-click and choose Uninstall Device for the device you want to remove. Hit Windows and R key together to open Run command box. Now, write services.msc in it and click OK. Now, locate Device Association Service and double-click on it. Now, click on Restart. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.